In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find Samsung Clock app and tap on it. It's a little different from standard Android one. Now, to access Alarms section, click on Alarm Clock at the top on the left. And to create new alarm, tap on this plus on the right. Now adjust it however you want to be perfect for you. Set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then hit alarm name if you want to name it. And click on all of those switches next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can tap on each one on the left to adjust that. Let's start with alarm sound. Click on it here. Tap on one of those options, for example Spotify, log in and use music from it. Or select ringtone, like I always do. Hit allow. Decide if you wish to enable or disable those two features by clicking on the switchers next to them, and either pick one of those sounds by clicking on a perfect one, or add your own from your smartphone by choosing this plus at the top right corner, deciding if you wish to play selected highlights, clicking on the song, and hitting done at the top right corner. To adjust the volume right away, use this slider at the bottom. Go back. Click on vibration to apply one of those patterns. Synchronize it with ringtone if you selected one of default melodies, or hit silent. You can also adjust intensity of haptic feedback thanks to this slider. Go back. Scroll, hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. And after going back this time, scroll all the way down to hit alarm background. Now, if you decided to adjust it over here, it will show up only for this alarm. Hit background at the top left corner. Choose allow all, pick one of those and go back, or select one of your photos and set it up as your new alarm background. When you're ready, hit done at the top right corner. Now finally hit save at the bottom right corner to enjoy your new alarm. Want to make any changes to it? Click on it. Change whatever you want to and hit save. If you want to turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on the light icon at the bottom right corner. Now the fun part, you can also click on those three lines at the top left corner and click on this gear. Now adjust all of those options under Alarms. Volume. You can decide if you wish to pick one for all alarms by clicking Use Same Volume for all and adjusting it, or pick a different one for every alarm. In ringtone section I showed you before. Go back. Click on alarm background and here's the fun part, you can pick one background for all alarms. Hit background at the top left corner and create it the same way as you did before. Then tap on upcoming alarm notification and adjust this option by clicking on one of the available options here. If you want to disable it completely, hit off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!